With every passing moment, zeros become ones and ones become zeros. Unseen, they aggregate and accelerate, and from this emerges intelligence. From the complexity, we distill simplicity. Building an intelligent foundation. Facing bottlenecks, we strive for breakthroughs, enabling digital pathology systems. Hurtling through time and space, we shape our reality, stretching the bounds of technology to fit the contours of imagination. Decoding the mysteries of life, we sow the seeds of progress for the next generation. Unlocking hidden potential, we explore new ecosystems for intelligent manufacturing. Awakening vast oceans of data, we spark the evolution of an abundance of models. The universe is an infinite treasure trove, amassed over countless moments. In our pursuit of faster, more reliable, and more resilient storage solutions, we will redefine every second of humanity's journey ahead.